Good day, all, and welcome to a new edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2. Where today we're going to be, if any of you gave any comments, it was the pulled pork was the one I'm doing next. That's by Dr. Oetker. Casa de Maya. Thin crust with a rising edge. And that's probably made in Canada, but originally Dr. Oetker is a German company. So we're going to cook this at 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Had the parchment paper out, but this does come with parchment, so we won't be needing that. We're going to do that for 12 to 14 minutes until cheese is melted and crust is golden brown. So let's just get that oven fired up. So we're going to put that at 4. Well, there we go. Let's show you what we're dealing with here. And on your pulled pork, never had this one before, you got pulled pork, red onions, red peppers, and with chipotle barbecue sauce. So it could be a little spicy. Not a really big pizza, so almost like a snack. So this thing is just ripped open. Don't want to waste one of those onions. There ain't much chopping, so put that garbage in there. And the nice thing with all these pizzas, for your kids out there, they come with a free frisbee. So pretty good. If you lose it, very biodegradable. That'll just waste away into there, but try to throw that away if possible. There's your parchment paper on the bottom, and that's what she's like when she's frozen. Not a lot of toppings really, but the last Dr. Oetker is very good, so I'm going to wait for that oven to heat up to, I think it was 480. So we'll be right back. And I think I forgot to mention, this is episode 3, season 1, Pizza Week. So any of you guys that don't want any spoilers, from this point right now, fast forward about 30 seconds. Because we got a sneak peek of what's going to come in the next episode. Wait for it. And those of you that stayed with me, this is what we're dealing with in the next video. Something new by Delicious. It's a cheese stuffed crust, almost kind of like what Pizza Hut has. So we're going to be trying that one out next. So join me in the next episode, and hopefully this one turns out a lot better than that pan pizza. That one was just a total disaster, so we just gotta wait for this oven to heat up a little bit more, and we'll be right back. And we're back. Timer just hit 480. Not the timer. Temperature just hit 480. So we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven, and then we're gonna cook it for 12 to 14 minutes. Just remember, when you're removing it, put on gloves because it's going to be very hot when it's there. So let's set that timer. We'll go in between. We'll do 13. And we'll be right back with you guys to show you what the finished product looks like. So stay tuned. Okay, I got my cutter and I'm almost ready. We're just in the last few seconds now. So let's get some gloves on. Okay. Almost. Oh yeah, I think she's almost done. Yeah, I think she's almost done. 20 more seconds. Feels crispy. Okay, here we go. It's countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming out hot. Holy. And that's what we're dealing with. That's pulled pork by Dr. Oetker. Casa de Maya. There. Just cut this bad boy up. It's hard to. Hard to do with two hands. Just wants to move around. Should have actually used a pizza pan, but cookie sheet works good enough. There we go. Cut in. Just gonna grab a difference. Your pot holder work better. Can actually hold this better. Slice, but there, through now. One more cut. There we go. Look at that gooey goodness. That smells really good. So let's just sit this on the plate for now. Grab a small slice off here. Ooh, that is really hot. Just a small piece. Turn this fan off. Hopefully you guys could hear I just had that fan. I forgot to shut off. But that's what we're... It's too bad you guys couldn't smell this, because man, that smells delicious. Gonna wait for this to cool for a couple seconds. It's like really hot. Well, I'm going in. That is really good. I keep going on this, but I gotta let it cool. It's like really hot. So if you've enjoyed what you see in this vlog, why not give it a big thumbs up? And don't forget to like and subscribe. For future notifications, make sure to ring that bell notification button. Until next time, happy eating. Chip out. This pizza is good. Enjoyed the video so far? Why not check out some of my other vlogs? Just click on the links below, and it'll take you right to other videos that I have. Have a great day.